Let's talk about cyber physical systems, CPS. CPS is defined as the combination of the digital and the physical world so that together they can enhance productivity, optimize, and push a manufacturing facility forward. The difference between cyber physical systems and IIoT is that CPS is all the communication that's happening in the physical and the digital world all bundled up together. The IIoT is only relevant to the communication between the physical elements. CPS enables complex real-time monitoring and control through the integrations of sensors and computational algorithms. Examples of CPS are embedded systems such as microcontrollers, microprocessors, and digital twins that includes the replicas of the physical world. And that's what CPS is.